Hi, and welcome to the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Today, we are presenting the Christmas Tree Decor Collaboration 2020, and it is hosted by Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TV MG. Now, Tammy wanted us to create a themed Christmas tree, any color, or something, maybe perhaps a television show, a musician, whatever thing we liked to do to our tree. Now, unfortunately, I had did another tree but deleted the footage. But with this Christmas tree, I call it the Buffalo Check Christmas tree, and you will see the full video on December the 11th. So make sure you stay tuned to watch the full video. I did a whole tablescape with the buffalo tree, and that will be December 11th at 5:30 p.m. along with the other fabulous family that are hosting with me. So with my Buffalo Check Christmas tree, I just used the Buffalo Check, the black and the red bows from the Dollar Tree. My tree was from Walmart, $16, and I used the Dollar Tree ribbons. I got them 50% off last year, along with the Walmart Christmas bulbs I got for 90% off. So once again, I am sorry for the footage. I was able to recover some of my Buffalo Check tablescape video. So again, please tune in on December the 11th at 5:30 p.m. and you'll get to see the tree in the full view. Thank you again.